Hey guys, do you think I'm watching a movie on a tablet? Actually not. In fact, I'm watching on the latest Huawei chip fold Mate XTS. It's really an amazing smartphone form factor. Now it becomes into a normal form. The small screen is 6.4 inch. It's up to 3K super high resolution. It supports high refresh rate. And the size of the large screen is 10.2 inch. It's really massive like a tablet experience. When the screen is open, the phone is really slim. It's much thinner than a normal smartphone. And it also has a super thin bezels. This is the second generation of the Huawei 3 Fold smartphone. This is a bright new purple color. This is the logo of Huawei Ultimate Design. It looks really beautiful. Huawei upgrades the camera system for this new model. It comes with a 15 megapixels main camera, a periscope telephoto camera for long-range zoom. The flashlight was put on the middle of the module. There are some gold decoration around the camera bump. There's no doubt that the Mate XTS has better performance than the first generation. This is the special label especially for this model, designed and crafted by Huawei. Let's check some specifications for this new phone. The device name is Huawei XTS Ultimate Design. It runs on the Harmony OS 5.1. It's not Android system. So it lacks Google service. Of course, you can use the Google service if you have the skills. The RAM is 16 gigs, and this one, the storage is 512 gigs. Let's compare the 3 Fold with the 2 Fold. The 2 Fold, the screen size is 7.93 inch. The 3 Fold is 10.2 inch. The number is not much bigger, but it looks really big. Let's talk about the thickness of these two phones when both of them are fold. There's no doubt that the 3 Fold is much thicker than the 2 Fold X6. The middle frame for the 2 Fold is silver, but for the 3 Fold is gold. So it looks more luxury. Okay, this is the brief introduction about this new chip fold smartphone. Let's check the performance for some applications. This is a stock trading app. Obviously, we can check more information by this large screen comparing to the normal form smartphone. It's so nice. It's very helpful when you are making the trading. For the first generation, there's only red and black two colors. But for the second generation, it has more color options: black, white, purple, and red. Now let's come to the most important part, the price tag. In this store, there's no 256 gigs, but actually it starts from 256 gigs, and the price for it is 70,999. That equals to 2,500 US dollars. And the stylus pen is $85. Let's assume if this phone had Google service, would you like to buy one?